What's up, Doris?
Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the Scripo channel. Today we're playing Combat Initiation. Dang, I love this game. I played this game before, but I only reached into the glass house, so we're gonna play it again. Alright, so game mode classic as always. I wanna try Seeded Gear. Hold on. Alright. I've never tried Seeded Gear before, so start game. We going solo. Alright, just waiting here. Na. Alright, if you that is just my chicken. Definitely. What you can accept. Really, I didn't read that. So the mission, select your weapon. Hold on. Wait, I forgot.